Hey, welcome back to another video in our live blood analysis video series. I'm going to show you some really cool footage highlighting how amazing our immune system is using the neutrophils, which represent 55% of the white blood cells, and they're a main frontline defender to gobble up microorganisms and debris in the body. And oftentimes when I see blood under the microscope, many people who can come in, they're malnourished, overstressed, overworked, or any combination of that. You'll see that the neutrophils are not moving as robustly as they need to be. In this sample here from this individual, they do actually have quite a bit of motility or movement here. You can see with this neutrophil how it's patrolling and looking around. There's a membrane around this cell, and you'll see it's navigating and it moves sort of like a slinky, patrolling the blood, looking for, like I said, microorganisms or junk in order to clean that up, inject it to destroy it, and use enzymes to dissolve. So constantly vacuuming up. And so to see somebody whose immune system, and this is the goal with clients of mine, to make sure we can get a very formidable defense system going to be able to push back against all of the stressors in our environment, air, water, food. And you can see here one of the things that really since 2021 that derailed or is derailing a lot of people's immune systems are these large small to large chunks of things like graphene oxide that has been injected into people's bodies. Some would argue it's also in the water, food, air. I would just say that there can be some truth to that. I would just, when you inject something into the body, then your exposure rate is high, and you're also not taking something in through the oral cavity, skin, eyes, nose, a steady and consistent thing to get into the body. And your body has lines of defenses, in the throat, the tonsils, adenoids, in through digestion, Peyer's patches, into then eventually get absorbed into the bloodstream. It's a nice and easy way to get things in. And your body has the ability to defend it at multiple levels. When you inject something right into the bloodstream, it's really an affront to the body, and that can send the body into a real high alert or tailspin. So when we're taking a look at these neutrophils working on this foreign debris, which was clearly injected into the person, you can see then not enough energy going to go into defending you from microorganisms if it's constantly, the neutrophils are constantly dealing with big hunks of pollution in the bloodstream. And that's why I said here you can see, there's two of them together here, two of them together here. Like, that's a lot of energy going into defending against something that's really not supposed to be there. And you can see why people post 2021 are tired more often than not, air hunger, just don't feel themselves. And I believe one of the chief contributors is this sidetracking of responsibility from these cells and overloading them, and then really putting demands on nutritional reserves, because you have to make new red blood cells as well as white blood cells every day. Every second, it's millions and millions that are turning over. And if you're constantly overworking and then potentially undernourishing the person's immune system, then you can see why people are really dragging their butts around and not feeling great. So I would just like to give you this as a really really strong insight into your blood, and I also want you to appreciate how amazing your immune system is. And this is just a little window into it. So it's empowering, knowing that if you are feeling not great since doing COVID, having COVID jabs, and people are saying you're crazy, you're not. And this gives you some visual evidence, and the bonus is you can use some specific detox protocols to really help your body remove a lot of the foreign debris, and that'll really recharge your batteries. So we'll see you next time for another video in my live blood analysis video series.